Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying the life, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Luxuriant Fashions. Today viewers, I am going to back with the most beautiful, stylish and very amazing video you find. 8 plus new pixie hairstyle ideas for ladies. We are heading 2025 right now. Of course, you want to see beautiful and amazing inspirations that you should accept to see more of come. The new year, you find gorgeous pixie haircut right here. You find some of the best short haircut for women. This is absolutely beautiful and stunning. You can see that it's very beautiful. Beautiful size hairstyle is also very lovely. I love the look of most of these short hairstyles right here. When it comes to pixie hairstyling, you find the very best as you watch this video, because at the end of the day it's all about you looking your best and having the confidence that you need to stand out and look really amazing and beautiful. So go right ahead and watch this video of your into maintaining a pixie haircut ideas, and you're in the variation of style that you can make selections from, because it's all about you at the end of this. If you're looking for something cool, if you're looking for something cute, get ideas from, because at the end of the day it's all about you looking best, having the very best style to work. So viewers, like my videos, share my videos with your friends and your relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel for more information and updates and new design ideas.